Lucas and Victor decided to spend an afternoon creating DIY animal masks, bringing their imaginative ideas to life with colorful materials and laughter. As they finished their creations, the room became a gallery of whimsical animal faces, and the two friends couldn't wait to show off their masterpieces to everyone. With their masks on, Lucas and Victor took their playful energy outside, transforming the park into their own imaginative world filled with laughter and fun. After a day of fun and exploration, Lucas and Victor relaxed on the grass, dreaming up new animal mask designs for their next creative project.